All right, let's look at a CAT 2022 slot 2 question. Let's start the timer. Mr. Pinto invests 1/5 of his capital at 6%, 1/3 at 10%, the remaining at 1%, each rate being simple interest per annum. Okay, minimum number of years required for the cumulative interest income. Everything is simple interest from these investments to equal or exceed his initial capital. Initial capital, I can assume a value. What value do I assume? 1/5 and 1/3 and a percentage, multiple of 100. 5 threes are 15. 1500 is what I'm going to take. 1/5 is going to be 300. 1/3 over here is 500, right? And these are at 6% and at 10%. The remaining 3 plus 5 is 8, so 700 over here is just at 1%. 3 6 are 18, that's the interest income. 5 10s are 50. In 1 year, 7 1s are 7. Add this up and I get a 75 in 1 year. Into n years should be greater than or equal to 1500. 75 divide over here and I get a 20. N should be greater than or equal to 20. And I mark that, right? So what's the logic over here, the concept? Very simple. You can assume a value, right? You can just assume a value and continue. And what is the value I assume over here? 1/5 of the capital and 1/3 of the capital. What's the number which is divisible by 5 and 3? That's 15. And I put 2 zeros over here because percentages, it's going to make my life easy when I apply the percentages to find the simple interest per year. Right, so 306% is nothing but 3 6 are 18, 5 10s are 15. The zeros and the percentages are taking care of each other. 7 1s are 7. 75 is the annual interest each year, multiplied with the number of years because it's simple interest, right? It's not compounded. 75 into n should be greater than or equal to, right? Equals or exceeds the initial principal of 1500. That's it. Cancel over here. N is greater than or equal to 20. The minimum required years, right? The minimum over here is 20. That's the answer for this question.